Hello, Cryptowisers. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Milton, and I will be your captain for this episode. If you are a regular Cryptowiser, you know that our videos tend to be on the longer side, about 20 minutes or so, especially when we do a deep dive into a project, like the video I made a few days ago on Swipe. That's this video here. If you haven't watched that video yet, I recommend you do. It is one of the most important projects connected to the Binance Smart Chain. But today I'm going to be doing something a little different. Today is the very first episode of what I am calling a Milty Mini. That's right. This is going to be a short and sweet video for you guys because there was huge news today and I wanted to make sure that you had it. As you know, we have been talking a lot about Binance Smart Chain on this channel in the last few weeks. Obviously, everyone in crypto knows that that is where the energy is right now as these ETH gases are way too high. Well, the biggest DEX aggregator in Ethereum agrees and they are moving over to Binance Smart Chain. Well, they're not moving over to Binance Smart Chain, but they are adding it as an option. So they will now be on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. Those Cryptowisers who have been in crypto for a little while will know that 1inch is one of the major projects in the space. And they did not waste any time. They announced they were going to Binance Smart Chain and it is already launched. So this is 1inch here. I have my wallet connected. And as you can see up here, I am on the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. So if you click here, you can either go Ethereum or Binance. And the reason I really wanted you guys to know about this today is because not only did they launch on Binance Smart Chain, but if we go into their DAO section under pools, as you can see, they have launched a bunch of pools on here and some of them have incredible APY. Look at this, 1,000 plus APY. Now, I jumped on here earlier, added a little bit of liquidity to the 1inch BNB pool. It is so rare that you can get 1,000 API using two projects that are as established and amazing as the Binance coin and the 1inch coin. So I wanted my Cryptowisers to know about this opportunity in case they wanted to join. As you can see, this just launched today. There's already 6.5 million in this pool, but that is going to grow like crazy. Trust me. This is just the beginning. Once people understand that 1inch is now on Binance Smart Chain, there's going to be a ton of liquidity coming into this. So let me just quickly walk you through how you do this. It's very similar to any other DEX that you use. So you get your MetaMask. Make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain network. Go to the exchange here, and here you can grab yourself some 1inch tokens. Now, listen, if you have 1inch tokens on the Ethereum address, I believe there is a way to bridge over to the Binance Smart Chain, but I did not own any 1inch, so I haven't looked into what that process is like. So for me, I just grabbed some of my BNB. I came on here, exchanged a bunch for 1inch because for the pool, you need to have 50% BNB, 50% 1inch. You have to have the equal amount of both. So grab myself some 1inch here on the exchange and then again went to the DAO, went to the pools, came here, provide liquidity, and here you go. This pops up. I put in the amount that I wanted to do and then pressed provide liquidity. Just so you know, if you haven't used 1inch before you get to provide the liquidity, you do have to unlock things. It will say unlock first, and you'll have to agree to do that on your MetaMask. Now, when you do this on Ethereum, it can be infuriating because you're paying gas fees every time you're doing it. But on the Binance Smart Chain, you are paying gas fees as well, but they're so much lower. Who cares? I did a few unlocks and then I provided liquidity. And if you hop on their Twitter, 1inch.exchange at 1inch exchange on Twitter, if you scroll down a bit, here is the news here. As you can see, CZ of Binance welcomed them to BSC, and they have a whole thread here on how they joined BSC and including a Medium a link to a Medium article that they did about it. This was posted 6 hours ago. It's a 2-minute read, but it is worth a read. Just kind of explains what they're doing, and it does talk about this liquidity pool here, this BNB 1-inch liquidity pool, the one that I joined. I have no idea how long this 1,000 APY is going to last, but as long as it did, I figured, hey, why not? Seems like it's worth a shot. 2 very reputable projects giving out that kind of APY. I knew it wasn't going to last long, so put some in today and we'll see how it goes. All right, Cryptowisers, that's it. It's my first Milty Mini. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if this was of use. Do you want us to do more Milty Minis or Marvin Minis when news comes out to let you guys know quick? Let us know what you thought. Also, take a second if you haven't already to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. And of course, follow us on Twitter if you are on there at Cryptowise Daily. Thanks so much for watching my first Milty Mini. As always, my name is Milton. Until next time, over and out.